Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to cook sardine in the can. Sardine is good for you. Everybody says sardine is good for you. So this is mackerel. I have 3 cans right there. Then my ingredient is going to be, first of all, it'll be garlic, ginger, key lime leaf, tomato, and hot pepper. Let's go started. Okay, first I'm gonna use olive oil. This is good oil right here. Use a healthy oil because we eat food. We need to put some good thing in your body, you know. So just go ahead, get it hot. And I'm gonna go ahead, drop the garlic in here. Garlic going down. It's healthy cooking and easy at the same time. It's not that hard, so easy, but the key, you got to prep, just what I did right here. Prep first before you cook, so everything become very easy. Okay, garlic already start cooking, nice and smell good right now. I'm gonna go ahead, put the ginger. Remember, ginger is good for you cooking food. If you put ginger in every kind of food you cook, always benefit. You know, most of the time I make the tea, so beside the tea I can cook just like with everything else, like a vegetable. So cooking, ginger make them smell good. Smell good already. Okay, ginger and garlic smell good already. They already golden brown. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this sardine can in here. Yep, sardine can in. I'm gonna cook 3 cans because I cook one time and you can eat like every 2 days, 2 days or 3 days. Cook one time, just eat like every 3 days or 2 days. Cook all of this. Alright, everything in. Okay, everything in right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put hot pepper in here and tomato, everything in. You know, cook sardines very easy. It's not that hard because just a tone touch. Everything else make a flavor. Just like add on fresh tomato and fresh hot cherry and cover up for about 5 minutes. Okay, all I want to do, just a tone touch with the chicken broth powder right here. Make a food taste good. And that's it, guys. And I'm gonna stir for a little bit. After that, just taste. Also tasting very good. Good spice, good ginger come out, everything nice. Okay guys, 5 more minutes. Okay, it's already done, so I'm gonna go ahead seasoning with my herb right here. Key lime here, right here. Nice tone cut, smells so good, guys. Cooking no rule. You can cook with anything you feel like it. Okay, so it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off. Done. Let's go eat. Alright, let's go pick up and eat, guys. Come on, eat dinner with me. There you have it, just like that. So easy and simple. There you have the sardine. Cooking sardine with my herb. And dinner tonight is so good. Come on, let's go eat.